Today I have a breakfast solution for you. Whether you are wanting something that you can make ahead for a lazy weekend breakfast, or you're having a brunch and you need something that's going to feed many people, or maybe you like to make breakfast food ahead, and this is one that you can make ahead and put in your fridge or your freezer and just pull it out and have it when you need it. So we're making a basic breakfast casserole, one that is going to be delicious when you want to serve it right away, or one that you want to save. I'm starting with my skillet on medium-high heat on my stove. I've prepared a casserole dish, lightly greased it. I have my oven heating to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm taking a roll of breakfast sausage. This is just basic pork breakfast sausage, and I'm going to start browning it in the pan. I also have a half of a yellow onion and a half of a red bell pepper that I'm going to add to the breakfast sausage. I love the red bell pepper for color and the onion for flavor. Now you can add whatever you like. This is very versatile. Perhaps you might want some jalapeno. Add some jalapeno pepper. You want to break the sausage up in the pan as it's cooking, so that you have just small pieces to distribute throughout your breakfast casserole. As the fat from the sausage starts to release, that's when you want to add your half of a yellow onion diced and half of the red bell pepper, or whatever pepper you want to use. Stir that in and continue to let this mixture cook until the vegetables are softened and the sausage is browned. While your sausage mixture is cooking, shred 8 ounces of sharp white cheddar cheese. And shred it yourself because it melts nicer, and your finished casserole will be all melty and ooey gooey delicious. I'm also mixing together 8 large eggs with a cup of half and half. I like to use half unsweetened almond milk and half heavy cream. You can use any combination of light cream, half and half, milk, but I like the heavy cream mixed with the almond milk because I think it gives it a nice mouthfeel. I'm going to mix that together to be well combined, adding about a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Just beat it up until it's combined. The prep time for this breakfast casserole takes only as long as it takes for you to brown your breakfast sausage, because you do all the other work while the sausage is browning. So now you can make quick work of the assembly by putting half of the sausage mixture into the pan and then spreading it around. I like to layer it to make sure that I have really good coverage of all of the deliciousness for this casserole. Use half of the cheddar cheese, then layer on the rest of the sausage mixture. Spread that around. The cheese, I'm going to leave just a tiny bit. I'm going to pour in the egg mixture right now. Then top with whatever you might have left. And I decided last minute to add some green onion to the top of the casserole, just because I had it and it looks pretty. And there we have it. We're ready to go into the 350 degree preheated oven. Your casserole will take 40 to 45 minutes. You want to cook it until the center is set. Cut your breakfast casserole into squares. Serve it with a side of sliced avocado and some delicious salsa.